If aliens were to land on Earth, how would we communicate with them? Well, we have several options. The first is to treat them like an annoying foreign person, where you speak very clearly and loudly, and that makes them understand the English language. Probably not the best option, though. The next popular form of communication that we might attempt with aliens is the classic war. I don't like you, I'm going to try and kill you. It's a timeless classic. Unfortunately, if the aliens come to us, their technology is probably superior, so it may be a very one-sided form of communication. The lesser method of communication between alien and human is not very popular in science fiction or stories, but it goes something like this. Hat. Hat. Of course, if you're some fancy pants scientist, you might also try to teach them mathematics. 1, 1, 2. And this leads us to the last and final popular form of communication between human and alien species, and it goes like this. It's got green skin and looks female. I wonder if I can stick my junk in it. That would be the language of love. But remember, when trying to make love to species you don't know, always wear protection. And by that I mean a phaser and a shield array. I hope this tutorial on how to communicate with aliens has been useful, and that should you encounter ET, you will now be better prepared.